Let's start in commodities. Harmony Gold, which is South Africa's top gold producer by volume, has agreed to buy the Australian miner MAC Copper in a deal worth just over $1 billion as it ramps up its diversification into copper. Joburg-based Harmony Gold is offering $12.25 per share in that cash deal. Now that's a 20.7% premium to the stock's closing price in New York on Friday. In a statement, MAC Copper said its board unanimously backs the offer. The Australian company's CSA copper mine produced about 41,000 metric tons of the metal last year, and Harmony said buying a productive copper mine already brings in immediate cash returns. The African Export-Import Bank has posted a net income of $215 million for the first quarter of 2025. That's 21% higher compared to the same period a year earlier. Earnings were buoyed by higher net interest income and improved liquidity. Now, management says the group results signal a solid start to the year as it deepens its dual mandate of both promoting trade within the African continent as it's expanding its reach into economies in the Caribbean. Net interest income rose by 4.5% to $411.2 million, supported by growth in interest-earning assets and effective cost of funds management. The fossil fuels giant Saudi Aramco is looking to raise funds in a dollar-denominated three-part bond sale. Now, the debt deal will be benchmark size, that's usually considered to be around $500 million. On Tuesday, Aramco management set the indicative price for the 5-year part of that debt sale at 115 basis points over US Treasuries. The 10-year and 30-year tranches carry initial price guidance of 130 and 185 basis points respectively over the same benchmark. The company last turned to global debt markets in July 2024 when it raised $6 billion from a 3-tranche bond sale. And finally in tech, China's Xiaomi has reported record first quarter revenue and earnings as the company says its ongoing shift towards higher-end products from smartphones to home appliances and even vehicles is paying off. Revenue for the quarter ending on the 31st of March came in at $15.48 billion, up 47% year-on-year and beating the $14.9 billion average of 17 analyst estimates compiled by the London Stock Exchange Group. Adjusted net profit went up by 65% year-on-year to $1.4 billion, ahead of the average estimate of $1.2 billion. Those are your company headlines on the 27th of May.